If you have an ADHD brain and you find that you struggle switching from life mode to sex mode, you're probably not making the most of bridges. I'm Jason, I'm a somatic sex coach and ADHDer, and I make videos for people who want more sex and intimacy, but whose brains often get in the way. So yeah, bridge is a metaphor for taking us where we are to where we want to be. In this case, moving from one mental state, like parenting or just life mode, to another, in this case, sex and intimacy. And the reason we need this is because ADHD brains typically are pretty crap at transitioning. We just have too many tabs open. So when you want sex, it just becomes another open tab alongside the 40 others. It's too much. There's too many things happening in our heads for us to effectively switch from that one piece of life to this other. They're very different in what they need. And oftentimes we don't know how to transition, hence the need for a bridge. Bridges are cues or rituals that your body recognizes. They take you from doing to feeling, from in our heads to in our body. Why these bridges become so key is that transition point, right? It's from here to here. They help us shift states. If we're in busy life mode, it's a very different from what we need in sex and intimacy, which is connection. The purpose of a bridge is to allow you to slowly shut down all of the other tabs so that the remaining tab open is the one that you really want to focus on now, which is the connection with a partner for intimacy and sex. I'll give an example of my life. If I want to switch into some form of intimacy, I need to get physical. I need to remove the chaos that's up here and bring it into my body. And for me, I love play fighting. And it's a bit of fun banter. It might be just a little like wrestle or tussle, but it's something that shifts something in me where I go from all this noise in my head to being present and intimate and physical, and it makes such a huge difference for me. And this is one bridge that I can pull on. A bridge can be anything. It could be your partner just needing a really long hug where she collapses on your shoulder and you stroke her hair and nobody says anything, right? It's just letting the day slide away and helping you transition into something else. It could be taking a hot shower and just letting go of the day, or just taking 10 minutes for yourself. It could be sitting down at the couch where you're talking out your day with your partner and you're getting your feet rubbed. But we're slowly closing down the tabs and focusing on the one that we want left open, which is intimacy. And these aren't mood tricks or manipulation. It's helping your partner to shift their state and to arrive in a place that they actually want to be. And you don't need one perfect bridge. You've got to find the ones that work for you. Different moods, different days, different needs. You've got to find the one that works in the moment and use it. This isn't about pushing you through blocks. It's about helping you arrive. When bridges work, intimacy gets better. And now you can focus on what feels good versus trying to tame a busy mind because you didn't take the time to transition to intimacy. This takes time to figure out what works for your partner. But it can be done, and it is 100% worth it. The more time you spend understanding what works for you and what you need to transition, the better your sex and connection is going to be. If you've got something that you're already doing that's really working, let me know in the comments because I'd love to know. And if this is new for you, let me know what's landed in the video and what you're going to try.